Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can add money to your Cash App account. So before getting started, make sure that you've already linked a bank account to your Cash App account, otherwise you won't be able to add money. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So in order to add money to your Cash App account, what you need to do is, first of all, you need to log in into your Cash App account, and once you're logged into your account, you need to tap on the icon located in the bottom left corner of your screen, and as you tap on it, you'll be directed to My Cash, and once you're on this page, you need to click on Add Cash in the top left corner, and after that you need to enter the amount that you want to add it to your Cash App. And once you're done entering the amount, tap on Add. And in case if you have a several bank account linked to your Cash App, then you need to select a particular bank account from where you want to transfer the money and then add it to your Cash App. And once you're done selecting it, tap on Confirm, and then you've successfully added money to your Cash App. So that is how you can add money to your Cash App account. That was all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.